Hello there, crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of passive income and financial freedom? Today, we're going to explore the incredible opportunities offered by BingX, a leading cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to earn money without any prior experience. Buckle up and get ready to learn how you can start generating a steady stream of income with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, let me drop a little nugget of wisdom. If you're planning to sign up on BingX, be sure to use the referral code 911. This special code will unlock exclusive benefits and rewards, giving you a head start on your journey to financial success. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of how you can make money with BingX, even if you're a complete newbie in the world of cryptocurrencies. 1. Earn with crypto savings. BingX offers a revolutionary feature called crypto savings, which allows you to earn interest on your digital assets simply by holding them in your account. It's like having a high-yield savings account, but for your cryptocurrencies. With competitive interest rates and a diverse range of supported cryptocurrencies, you can watch your investments grow steadily over time. 2. Participate in staking. Staking is a process where you can earn rewards by helping to secure and validate transactions on certain blockchain networks. BingX makes it incredibly easy for you to participate in staking without any technical knowledge or complex setups. Simply hold the required cryptocurrencies in your account, and BingX will handle the rest, allowing you to earn passive income while contributing to the overall health and security of the blockchain ecosystem. 3. Referral program. BingX values its community, and they reward you for introducing new users to the platform. By sharing your unique referral link or code like the one I mentioned earlier, 911, you can earn a percentage of the trading fees generated by the people you refer. The more users you bring on board, the more you can earn. It's a win-win situation. 4. Copy trading. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency trading and feel a bit overwhelmed, BingX has you covered with its copy trading feature. This innovative tool allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders, essentially letting you piggyback on their expertise and strategies. It's a fantastic way to learn and potentially profit from the market without having to navigate the complexities of trading on your own. 5. Airdrops and giveaways. BingX frequently hosts exciting airdrops and giveaways where you can receive free cryptocurrencies or other rewards simply by participating in various activities or events. Keep an eye out for these opportunities, as they can be a great way to boost your portfolio or earn extra income without any significant investment. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. But let me assure you, BingX is a legitimate and reputable cryptocurrency exchange that prioritizes security, transparency, and user experience. With a user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and a dedicated customer support team, you can rest assured that your investments and earnings are in safe hands. Don't just take my word for it. BingX has garnered numerous positive reviews and accolades from satisfied users and industry experts alike. They've been recognized for their innovative features, reliable platform, and commitment to empowering individuals to achieve financial freedom through cryptocurrencies. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up on BingX today using the referral code 911 and embark on your journey to financial independence. Whether you're looking to earn passive income, learn about trading, or simply diversify your investment portfolio, BingX has something to offer for everyone. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, and BingX is at the forefront of this revolution. By joining their community, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources, educational materials, and a supportive network of like-minded individuals. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take the first step towards financial freedom and sign up on BingX using the referral code 911. Your future self will thank you for making this smart decision. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and opportunities from BingX, and get ready to unlock a world of passive income and